Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and your KSC bidding consultant. Y'all see these buildings behind me? I'm in Pittsburgh. I decided to do a reset in my own city. And look at these buildings. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Look at that. That's my vision. That's my vision to have the downtown buildings. Let me get this light out the way. Y'all can see. I'll get a better view. Look at that. Look at these buildings. Got a great view. Pirate Stadium over there. You can see it better in the day because nothing's going on, but see these buildings? Oh yeah, and as I'm working on my 1099s, if you guys got a storage unit and it's not corporate, you give them a 1099 as well. So add up all that storage unit costs if they're not corporate and get a 1099. Hey y'all. Alright, I'm outside now and had to come out so I could go to the store, get me some creamer and some sugar for my coffees in these coming days. And so I'm out here looking at these buildings live. Listen. Y'all remember that picture I always have in the back of my videos? It represents these buildings downtown. And it's just, I don't know, God put it on my heart to do a reset in my city. And I'm surrounded around the vision that I've always had for myself. And this year, we're going to another level that's going to help me be in a position for one day to have these buildings. Oh my God, look at this. Rivals recently started recruit. Fuck your dead homies if you ain't part of this one day. And you know, I'm walking through my city. I never explore our downtown. I go through it, whatever. I'm seeing so much new stuff, and it's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful down here. There's a lot of new architect buildings and stuff. I was kind of looking forward to this experience of being in my own city, in a hotel, strategizing and planning for the new year. And the day is just the 30th, y'all. And I ended my day with 3 construction opportunities. The one I walked through today, it's a huge market. They call it a fresh market. And then I got 2 construction walkthroughs scheduled for after the new year. Listen, keep answering that phone. You still got time to close the year out strong. I'm telling y'all, it's going to be an amazing new year. I hope you're planning. I hope you're collecting all of your expenses. And mainly, don't forget to get the storage units. All them months, 12 months of paying that rent, make sure you write that off. Get everything, and then go back to anywhere you transferred money, because you'll have contractors that you forgot all about. So go back to the history of the year or whatever documentation you kept and make sure you get everybody, because we can't afford to pay nobody's taxes. All right, y'all, it's cold out here. I gotta get this phone out of my hand. All right, here I am. I at the hotel. Yeah. Alright, y'all. See y'all in the new year. See you in 2026.